Hello students, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Today we'll be discussing all about COVID-19. As you know that we are observing a very tough time once again fighting an invisible enemy, the novel COVID-19 coronavirus. This can be difficult time for all of us as we hear about spread of COVID-19 from all over the world through television, social media, newspapers, family and friends, and other sources. The most common emotion faced by all is fear. It makes us anxious, panic, and can even possibly make us think, say, or do things that we might not consider appropriate under the normal circumstances. As you know that in India, the first COVID-19 case was reported in Kerala on 30th January 2020. Now, this is the present scenario in India. Active cases are more than 21,000, discharged 4,257, and death 681. To avoid the increase in number of patients of COVID-19 and to stop coronavirus, let us stay at home, keep a safe distance, wash hands, cover your cough, and if you feel sick, then call the helpline. Now, what are the basic protective measures against the new coronavirus? Stay aware of the latest information on the COVID-19 outbreak available on the WHO website and through your national and local public health authority. Mankind has observed various pandemics throughout the history where some of were more disastrous than the others to the human. We are observing very tough time once again fighting an invisible enemy. Coronavirus disease 2019, which we called as COVID-19, is an RNA virus with a typical crown-like appearance under an electron microscope due to the presence of glycoprotein spikes on its envelope. Now let us understand the COVID-19 again. COVID-19 is the infectious disease caused by the most recently discovered coronavirus. This new virus and disease were unknown before the outbreak began in Wuhan, China in December 2019. Now let us see in detail about the COVID-19. Coronaviruses are a family of RNA viruses that typically cause mild respiratory disease in humans. A novel coronavirus was identified in Wuhan, China in December 2019. Now let us see what are the causes of coronaviruses. Coronaviruses are a large family of viruses which may cause illness in animal or human. In humans, several coronaviruses are known to cause respiratory infections ranging from the common cold to more severe disease such as Middle East Respiratory Syndrome, that is MERS, and severe acute respiratory syndrome, that is SARS. The most recently discovered coronavirus causes coronavirus disease that we now called as COVID-19. COVID-19 is a new form of coronavirus disease due to the novel virus Middle Eastern Respiratory Syndrome, MERS, and severe acute respiratory syndrome that we called as SARS coronavirus that causes acute infection with respiratory symptom. This new virus is different than the ones that causes SARS and MERS. Now here a question is COVID-19 is the same as SARS? The answer is no. The virus that causes COVID-19 and the one that causes the outbreak of severe acute respiratory syndrome, that is SARS, in 2003 are related to each other genetically, but the diseases that causes are quite different. SARS was more deadly but much less infectious than COVID-19. There have been no outbreak of SARS anywhere in the world since 2003. Now, how to protect ourselves and others from COVID-19? There is currently no vaccine to protect against COVID-19. The best way to protect ourselves is to avoid being exposed to the virus that causes COVID-19. Stay home as much as possible and avoid close contact with others. Wear a cloth face covering that covers your nose and mouth in public setting. Clean and disinfect frequently touch surface. Wash your hands often with soap and water for at least 20 seconds or use as alcohol-based hand sanitizer that contain at least 60% alcohol. How to handle emotional problems? At the times of anxiety, practice breathing slowly for a few minutes. Try and distance the thought that are making you anxious. When feeling angry and irritated, calming your mind, counting back from 10 to 1, distracting yourself help. Even when feeling afraid, deal with it by asking yourself, what is under my control? Am I unnecessarily worrying about the worst things that can happen? When I have been stressed in the past, how have I managed? What are the things I can do to help myself and be positive? If feeling lonely or sad is quite common, stay connected with others. Call up people whom you haven't spoken to and surprise them. Discuss happy events, common interest, exchange, cooking tips, share music, etc. Now, what are the symptoms of COVID-19? Fever, cough, shortness of breath, runny nose, chest pain, and dizziness. These are some of the symptoms of COVID-19. Now let us see the detailed symptoms of COVID-19. The most common symptoms of COVID-19 are fever, tiredness, and dry cough. Some patients may have aches and pains, runny nose, sore throat, diarrhea. These symptoms are usually mild and become gradually. Some people become infected but do not develop any symptoms and don't feel unwell. Most people, more than 80%, recover from the disease without needing special treatment. Older people and those with underlying medical problems like high blood pressure, heart problem, or diabetes are most likely to develop serious illness. Now let us see some of the facts. Knowledge is power. The more you know about a certain issue, the less fearful you may feel. Don't follow sensational news or social media posts which may impact your mental state. Do not spread or share any unverified news or information further. Don't keep discussing all the time about who got sick and how. Instead, learn about who got well and recovered. A common cold is not corona infection. The symptoms of corona have been well described. Now, these are some of the confirmed COVID-19 cases from January 22, 2020. If you see this graph, we have seen that from January 22 to 2020 up to the March 21, it gradually increases, and sudden increase in March 21 to April 13. Next, this shows the new confirmed and death of due to the COVID-19 here from the December 31st 2019 to again March 21 2020. We have seen that these are the confirmed death increases fast from March 21 to April 13. Now here one important question is, can the virus that causes COVID-19 be transmitted through the air? Studies to date suggest that the virus that causes COVID-19 is mainly transmitted through contact with respiratory droplets rather than through the air. Now let us see how this COVID-19 spreads. The virus that causes COVID-19 is mainly transmitted through droplets generated when an infected person coughs, sneezes, or exhales. These droplets are too heavy to hang in the air and quickly fall on the floor or surface. You can be infected by breathing in the virus if you are within close proximity of someone who has COVID-19 or by touching a contaminated surface and then your eyes, nose, or mouth. Now here is again one question. Can COVID-19 be caught from the person who has no symptoms? The answer is the main way the disease spread is through respiratory droplets expelled by someone who is coughing. The second is the risks of catching COVID-19 from someone with no symptoms at all is very low. However, many people with COVID-19 experience only mild symptoms. This is particularly true at early stages of the disease. It is therefore possible to catch COVID-19 from someone who has, for example, just a mild cough and does not feel ill. The second question, what you can do it? Avoid close contact with people who are sick unless you are a healthcare provider. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth with unwashed hands. The most important answer is stay home. Cover your mouth and nose with tissue when you cough or sneeze, or use the inside of your elbow. Throw used tissues in the trash. Avoid being in large gathering until the pandemic is over. Maintain social distancing. Stay at least 6 feet away. Gatherings are strongly discouraged. Encouraging individuals to stay at home except for essential. Infrequent trips to purchase food or medicine. Wash your hands often and for at least 20 seconds with soap and water. Regularly and thoroughly clean your hands with an alcohol-based hand rub or wash them with soap and water. Why? Washing your hands with soap and water or using alcohol-based hand rub kills viruses that may be on your hands. Now next question is, maintain at least 1 meter. 1 meter means 3 feet distance between yourself and anyone who is coughing or sneezing. Why? When someone coughs or sneezes, they spray small liquid droplets from their nose or mouth. If you are too close, you can breathe in the droplets, including the COVID-19 virus if the person coughing has the disease. Now next question will be in your mind that avoid touching eyes, nose and mouth. Why? Hand touch many surface and can pick up viruses. Once contaminated, hands can transfer the virus to your eyes, nose or mouth. From there, the virus can enter your body and can make you sick. Make sure you and the people around you follow good respiratory hygiene. This means covering your mouth and nose with your bent elbow or tissue when you cough or sneeze. Next question is, then dispose of the used tissue immediately. Why? Droplets spread virus. By following good respiratory hygiene, you protect the people around you from viruses such as cold, flu and COVID-19. Stay home if you feel unwell. If you have a fever, cough and difficulty breathing, seek medical attention and call in advance. Now next question we will discuss, follow the direction of your local health authority. Why? National and local authority will have the most up-to-date information on the situation in your area. Calling in advance will allow you health care provider to quickly direct you to the right health facility. This will also protect you and help prevent spread of viruses and other infections. So we'll discuss, if possible, avoid traveling to places, especially if you are an older person or have diabetes, heart or lung disease. Why? Higher chances of catching COVID-19 if for the elder people. No one should be traveling at this time unless it is for essential business. This is especially important for older persons and other at risk for severe illness. Wear a face mask when you leave your home, especially if you will be in contact with others. Now here question is, how can I grocery shop safely in the time of COVID-19? When grocery shopping, keep at least 1 meter distance. 1 meter distance means 3 feet from the others, and avoid touching your eyes, mouth and nose. If possible, sanitize the handles of shopping trolleys or baskets before shopping. Once home, wash your hands thoroughly, and also after handling and sorting your purchased product. There is currently no confirmed case of COVID-19 transmitted through food or food packing. Now next question is in our mind, that how to wash fruits and vegetables in the time of COVID-19. Fruits and vegetables are essentially component of a healthy diet. Wash them the same way you would in any other circumstances. Before handling them, wash your hands with soap and water. Then wash fruits and vegetables thoroughly with clean water, especially if you eat them raw. How this virus spread? The virus spread because to the person to person. The virus is thought to spread mainly from person to person. Between the persons or between the people who are in contact with one another through respiratory droplets produced when an infected person cough, sneeze, or talk. These droplets can land in the mouth or nose of the people who are nearby or possibly be inhaled into the lung. Some recent studies have suggested that COVID-19 may be spread by people who are not showing symptoms. Now this is an example how the COVID-19 spread from one person to other person and one other person to thousand peoples. Now this picture shows that why the lockdown is important. Spread from contact with contaminated surface or objects. It may be possible that a person can get COVID-19 by touching a surface or object that has a virus on it and then touching their own mouth, nose, or possibly their eyes. Now, since there is no medicine on coronavirus 2019 or COVID-19, so doctors are trying on this medicine nowadays. Okay, before conclude my lecture, I want to say that be aware but don't panic. Stay away from social media and up to the minutes news. Actively remind yourself of reasons not to worry. Create a new routine. Thank you.